story
The
behind it.
brewery house, which is the bungalow, was on that piece of land for over 100 years. That's where I grew up.
In that bungalow.
That's where my father lived. I said, Irfan bhai,
How do you want to be remembered? How do you want Vijay Mallya to be remembered?
hopefully for the good things that I might have done, certainly not for being a chore.
What do you do now? What time do you wake up? How do you keep yourself busy?
Well, I have 6 dogs. I love them. I love dogs. I play with them. I have a few classic cars, which I like to tinker with. But I have an office on the property next door with my staff. I have
On 2nd of March, you left Delhi airport for London in a Jet Airways flight with 55 big suitcases.
complete and utter rubbish.
So your intention was never to leave the country.
Look, please, are you a success or are you a failure?
What is the answer?
I'm a big failure according to Indians.
Fine.
I'm a big failure. So when I look at myself in the mirror, चोर पैसा लूट के भाग गया क्या पैसा क्या लूट Nobody bothered to step back and think.
But then banks ultimately want 14,000 crore. So they don't want anything.
Here is the recovery certificate of the Debt Recovery Tribunal. It says recovery certificate 6,203 crores, 35 lakhs, 3,800. Kingfisher Airlines, Malya Thoko ko. The value of a Tipu Sultan sword would not have paid salaries. The 2 Mercedes-Benz cars, the figment of people's imagination, would not have paid the salaries.
Why are you doing this after 9 years? There are thousands of people who must have reached out to you over the years. Why all of a sudden the need after 9 years that, okay, I'll say yes. And yes to us. Why?
I didn't even know that a podcast exists. I always told the youngsters that when they start off life, they must be self-confident. Because it is only self-confidence that will bring out the best in you.
How do you want to be remembered? How do you want Vijay Mallya to be remembered?
Hopefully for the good things that I might have done, certainly not for being a chore. No, I was brand ambassador. And I have done it not only for Kingfisher, but take the case of our spirits business. I actually came on national television with an ad encouraging people not to drink and drive.